This is a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. All of the following features are included: a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a security system, front fog lights, dusk sensing headlights, front and rear reading lights, and cruise control. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Stivers Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4000 Eastern Bypass in Montgomery.